How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make supports a different color in Bambu Studio. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the support is enabled on your project. Now from here, you can apply whatever support you want to. In my case, I'm going to be using the tree automatic. From there, scroll down and look for the filament for supports option. In here, you also have to make sure that you have different filaments applied to your project. Now, if you want to add more, just click on this plus icon, and then changing out the colors is by just clicking on the color icon itself. And maybe for this one, let's click on pink, and then here we have it. So basically right after that, heading back to the filament for supports, you could just click on either one of these options. Now for the first one, I'm going to apply the second filament that I have, which is the red ABS. And for the next one, I'm going to use the third one, which is the white ABS. So that's how easy it is to simply use your supports with different colors. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.